Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this DIY video. I always want to say DIY because, you know, drinking makes it a little bit more fun, but this time I'm gonna talk to you guys sober, and welcome to this handmade teleprompter thingy here. Highly sophisticated stuff with a super developed system, you know, so you can regulate the angle, and this thingy here, it holds that curtain stuff, and it's really simple, easy. You can do it with stuff that you already have in the house. Well, for once, you probably have one of these. It probably has a photo that you're already bored with or maybe disgusted with. So all you need to do is just open this and take out the glass. So that's what I did. I took out the glass, and then I took one of these boxes that I got from my gooseneck. You know, so my tablet, oh, let's focus. Yes, focus, good. So this gooseneck thing, I marked it with the markers on the inside. Wait, here you go. I marked it on the inside of the 4 points, and then I used a ruler, and then using a cutter, I cut that thing out. And you only need to make sure you can use this duct tape you use at your last kidnapping and the leftover. You can use this duct tape to tape it to the inside of the box. And what you still need to do, wait, here it is. And because you need this cover for it. Why? Because this thing is really reflective. It may not be that high quality thingy. So you need to put this, which we made out of cardboard, and boom, that's your prompter over there. And of course you need a tablet for it. You download the Teleprompter software. You take one of these tablets. I have one of these at home. Everybody nowadays has one at home. Okay, simple teleprompter. See? You just copy and paste the text in it. It's always the other way around, isn't it? Put it in the box, and then boom. You just start it here, and then you have your homemade teleprompter using your tablet, a box, an old picture frame, some tape. Hey, focus on the tape, please. Okay. So I wish you guys the best of luck. This is also an option for some people who don't want to spend like $200-300 for one. And of course you have to see if it's for you, because not everybody likes reading. Because for some people it may not be natural. They focus too much on the reading, and people can really say that they are reading. So I suggest you try it out for yourself and then see if it's for you, because I personally really like it. So I wish you guys the best of days. Tschüss.